Title: Addressing the Skills Gap, the Power of Industry-Academia Collaboration. The skills gap, the mismatch between the skills employers need and the skills potential employees have, is a pervasive issue impacting industries across the globe. With particular attention to the United States and Canada, this disconnect is primarily seen in the information technology (IT) sector, where rapid technological advancements outpace the training and development capabilities of many educational institutions. The solution: a robust partnership between industry and academia, which calls for strategic collaboration to create an agile, adaptable workforce that meets the evolving needs of the market. The issue arises from regional imbalances in the availability of professional skills and job positions. Some regions have an overabundance of professionals in a specific field with not enough positions available, while others have plenty of positions open but lack the professionals to fill them. This regional imbalance of worker supply and demand is a critical element of the skills gap problem that requires a strategic approach for a solution. Traditionally, universities and colleges have been criticized for not including job-specific training as part of their curriculums. While these institutions focus on imparting theoretical knowledge and promoting research, there's often a disconnect when it comes to practical, job-ready skills. This gap has been exacerbated by the shift of many businesses towards short-term gains, often at the cost of long-term investments in workforce development and training. At the same time, many employers have failed to take the necessary steps to upskill entry-level workers to a professional capacity. This underinvestment in workforce development cannot be overlooked. Given the extensive educational infrastructure already in place, it seems logical for these establishments to adapt their programs to bridge this gap. There are several ways educational institutions can align themselves more closely with industry needs. For instance, they could adjust enrollment numbers to better match industry requirements, increasing the number of graduates with advanced technical proficiencies relative to non-technical proficiencies. Education could also be restructured to focus more on training individuals for applied, job-related tasks. Fundamentally, society needs people trained and ready to deploy complex job skills suited to their industries, and in the appropriate numbers. Building effective partnerships between business and educational institutions is crucial to address the skills gap. Educational institutions can redesign their courses to keep up with changes in industry, but they can only do this effectively with consultations and input from industry. Therefore, partnerships are necessary. By collaborating with industry, institutions can develop programs that can address the needs of the market, offer relevant co-op and internship opportunities, and ensure students graduate with in-demand skills. In turn, companies should be more open to hiring inexperienced graduates and investing in their on-the-job training. This approach could correct the mismatch between the supply and demand of workers and increase employee loyalty, as employees are likely to feel a sense of gratitude and loyalty towards the company that helped them overcome professional development barriers. In conclusion, the skills gap, particularly in IT sectors of the USA and Canada, is a significant challenge that can be addressed through closer partnerships between academia and industry. By collaborating on curriculum design, internship opportunities, and investing in training for recent graduates, both sectors can contribute to a balanced and agile workforce that is better equipped to meet the demands of today's rapidly evolving industries.